How to set a timer on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. The camera app is a versatile tool for capturing photos and videos, offering various shooting modes, editing features, and quick access options. It allows users to take photos, videos, live photos, portraits, panoramas, and more, with options to adjust settings like flash, night mode, and zoom. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top and tap on the arrow in the middle. Now, go to the options below and swipe left. Here, tap on the timer icon. You can choose the timer duration from here. For example, 5 seconds. After that, go back and tap on the capture button below to take a picture. As you can see, the camera will wait 5 seconds before taking the picture. The camera's self-timer lamp will typically blink and a beep sound will usually be emitted before the picture is taken. Following these steps, you can easily set a timer on iPhone camera.